Hello and welcome to ArtiGenius. In this video, we will walk you through the simple process of creating your own course as a tutor. Once you log in, you will first arrive on your tutor dashboard. Here, you can view a quick summary of your teaching activity, such as the total number of courses you have created, the revenue you have generated, and the students who have joined your classes. You can also keep track of your upcoming classes and see the list of recently onboarded students right from this page. To begin creating a new course, simply look at the menu on the left side of the screen and click on the option called My Courses. After clicking on My Courses, you will be redirected to this page. Here, all your existing courses are displayed with their key details, such as class duration, the recommended number of classes per week, the fee per session, and the number of students enrolled. This section also gives you easy access to manage your schedules, batches, and class settings. Now, to create a brand new course, all you need to do is click on the Create Course button, located at the top right corner of the page. After clicking on the Create Course button, you will be directed to this page where you need to provide all the details about your course. The form is divided into three main sections. In the first section, About Course, you will be asked to enter the course title. Choose a suitable category, select the specialization, and mention the style of your course. Next, we move on to the section called About the Course. Here you can write a detailed description about what your course covers. You also have the option to generate an outline or individual lessons automatically. In this section, you can also add a YouTube link for a demo or introduction video and upload an image or thumbnail that best represents your course. The final section is Course Details. In this section, you will need to specify who the course is for, the duration of each class, and the number of classes required to complete a level. You can also define the suitable age group, mention the languages in which the course will be conducted, choose the term type such as long-term or short-term, and suggest the recommended number of classes per week. Once all the information is filled in, simply click on the Next button to proceed further. Here you can see that I have already filled in all the details for my new course. The course title is Beginner Level Hindustani Classical Vocal. The category is set to music with specialization in Hindustani classical, and the style chosen is Khyal and Bhajan singing. In the next section, I have added a short description of the course, which explains that this program is designed for beginners who want to build a strong foundation in Hindustani classical music. It mentions the basics of swaras, alankars, simple ragas, and also highlights that students will gradually progress towards singing classical compositions and devotional bhajans. A YouTube introduction video link has also been added, along with a course thumbnail image. Finally, under Course Details, I have specified that this course is meant for beginners. Each class will be 60 minutes long, with around 12 to 15 sessions needed to complete one level. The suitable age group is set between 8 and 18 years, and the course will be taught in both Hindi and English. The term is marked as long-term, with a recommendation of 2 classes per week. Once all the information is entered, the course is ready to move forward by clicking on the Next button. After clicking on the Next button, you will be taken to the second step of course creation. On this page, you will find 2 important sections. The first one is Course Benefits, where you can mention what students will gain after completing this course. The second section is Prerequisites, where you can list out any prior knowledge, skills, or requirements that learners should have before enrolling. Once these details are entered, you can continue to the next step. Here you can see that I have already filled in this section. Under Course Benefits, I have written that students will learn the basics of swaras, alankars, simple ragas, and also gain confidence in singing both classical compositions and devotional bhajans. This highlights the key outcomes of the program. In the Prerequisites section, I have mentioned that no prior knowledge of classical music is required, but having a basic interest in singing and regular practice will be helpful. Once these details are complete, we can now proceed further by clicking on the Next button. Now, as we move ahead and click on Next, the system takes us to the Course Schedule section. Here, you will see different options to set up your schedule. You can choose whether the class will be conducted online, offline, or as a home tuition. Next, you'll need to select the type of participants, whether it's a one-to-one session or a group class. You'll also find options to add your fee per class, as well as in USD. And below, you can schedule your class timings for each day of the week. This step ensures that your course structure is well planned and convenient for both you and your students. Now, as you can see, I've entered all the required details. I have selected online class, chosen one-to-one participation, and set the class fee in both Indian rupees and US dollars. Next, I've added class timings for Monday to Saturday, from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. You can also add multiple schedules in a single day by clicking on the Add More option under the timings. And if you want the same timing across all days, simply click the Same Time checkbox. This will automatically apply one schedule to every selected day, saving you time. Once all the details are filled, you're ready to move ahead. Once you click Finish, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Congratulations! Your course has been successfully created. Thanks for watching. I hope it was helpful for you. If you liked the video, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.